Hello fans. Alright, so what do you know about this leaf? This is called miracle leaf. What do you know about this leaf? Do you know I went to the market, so I was just looking for this leaf. I was looking for all these herbal people that sell leaves, all these herbal leaves. So one of my customers told me that she has it. That she'll bring it for me. She has it in her compound. What do you know about this leaf? Browse about it though. This leaf does wonders. What do you know about this miracle? It's called miracle leaf. I love taking this leaf. What do you know about it?